on, dude. Man, you're feisty for your size. Oh, you came in with Papa Tom's bug. Thank you, Mr. Fish. Sick. Oh, man. You guys are so feisty, too. Look at that guy. You put up a fight twice your size. Thank you, Mr. Fish. Gotta love it when you change up your fly and catch one on each in 10 casts or less. Finally makes me feel like I figured out this dang fly fishing thing sometimes. Gorgeous sunset hour. My camp is in those trees over there. Oh, mosquitoes though. Man, I should feel like I'm in Minnesota. Come on, dude, don't go in the beaver dam down there. Oh, man. That's a big fish. And you guys are so feisty. Right in the lip. Thank you, Mr. Fish. Oh. Whoa. I bounced right off the rock. Dude, look how feisty these guys are. Hi, buddy. Thanks for playing, Mr. Fish. Oh, fish. Oh, you're so cute. Jesus, they're so crazy. I gotta put my jacket on, man. These mosquitoes are eating me alive. Oh, that's that one. The blue feathers that we got. We've got a few fish on it today. I knew there was big fish in here. Oh. Oh, you're so pretty too.